Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join my little YouTube family. I'm so happy to be back and I'm here to stay. So let's just go ahead and get started, jump right into the video. So today, if you guys can already tell by the title, I'm going to be doing this new Play SMARTS by Sephora. So this is what the box looks like. Okay, so as you guys can tell, this is a different box from the other Play by Sephora. I'll insert a picture here so you guys can remember what the original Play by Sephora box looks like. In comparison to that box is a monthly subscription which runs about $10 a month, where this one is not a monthly subscription. You actually have to go into the website and kind of purchase it like if you're ordering from Sephora. It kind of works like that subscription box, and this one is $20 a month. So this is the first month that they're actually doing this, where they're focusing, I think, on glittery eyes. I don't know if you guys are familiar with the original Play by Sephora box, but that one does cost you $10 a month, and you get like a little you get a 50 point reward with every box that you get, where you can redeem points at Sephora. And this one you get the same thing, but I think the cool part about this box is that you get a free course online, which is called the exclusive live stream crash course, where they'll teach you how to use all these products, and they'll teach you the trend with glittery eyes, I guess, that's going on right now, where I think it's pretty cool. And it says obviously you get the smart card where they explain what every product does. So yeah, I think it's pretty cool. And then at the bottom it says Play SMARTS. It's a glitter eyes for real life. It's one-time purchase, not a monthly subscription, which I already explained to you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I'm super excited. They also promote that you get a little free bag with the purchase, but like the other one, you also get a bag. I mean, that's where they put the stuff in. So just, I guess it's a perk. So anyways, this is the little card that it comes with. It's a little bit nicer than the one that you get with the other Play by Sephora. It comes like in a little envelope, and then it gives you like cards, which I'm assuming it has to do with each product. So I'm not gonna go through them right now. I'm just gonna go as I pull the product. But it says that you can have access to the crash course July 15 at 5 Pacific Standard Time. And you can watch it on your laptop, phone, or tablet, and it gives you the website where you can go and do all of that. So that's the information. So I think that's pretty awesome. And of course you get your 50 points in the back. So let's go ahead and get into the bag. I'm so excited. It's actually really cute. It's really girly. I don't like the texture. I don't like the texture of it. I don't know why. I'm kind of a little bit weird with textures like this, but it's like a scaly bag, and it's rose gold. Here you go. And it also has a little jog strings, I don't know, where you pull like that, and then you pull it close. And it says Sephora on the side. So one of the things that I'm not really fond of is that the products aren't full size. In comparison to other boxes that cost around the same price, they do send you full size products, but I mean, if they are good products, then I guess deluxe sizes work. But it all depends on your point with the box. For me, I think that you have to be able to get at least 3 uses of each product, so you know if you actually like it, if it's going to react well with your skin, if it's a face product or anything like that. I don't think with one-time use you can get an idea if you're gonna like it, but that's just me. Everybody's different. So let's go ahead and just pull the first thing, which is this Stila little magnificent metal glitter and glow. This is in the color Kitten Karma, which I already own this color. I actually own a few, but let's just go ahead and read what they have to say. So it says it's kind of cute, the little card. It has the product, and it says when. Morning, evening, or anytime. Who needs a reason to sparkle? How apply with your... You can apply with the wand, or you can apply with an eyeliner brush. And it says why. The liquid eyeshadow is a true glorious glitter, but its water-infused formula dries down quickly for a control and minimal fallout. I've worked with this product a lot of times, and it actually does stay on Even if you're sweating, it doesn't tend to crease, at least not on me. I think it just depends on the type of eyelids you have. If you have oily eyelids, it might. I can see the potential of it creasing, but it's a really good product, so I'm kind of happy about that. And it's a super mini size, but it still works. You're gonna get more than one use out of it, so I think that's awesome. So the next thing in the box is this little Bite Beauty multi-purpose product, I guess you can say. You can use it on your eyes, cheeks, and lips, I believe. And here's a swatch of the color that we got. This is in the color Rose Pearl. It's a super cute color. I can see it going with, using it with every skin tone. It's kind of sheer a little bit, but I can see why they do that, because you can use it as a blush. Guys, it's summer and it's 110 degrees outside, and I have the AC off because of course I don't want you guys to hear it, so I'm trying to work here fast. Anyway, so I'm not gonna read everything that it says, but you can, it does say that you can apply it on your lids, cheeks, lips, and you can do it directly off the tube, or you can use your brush. You can use a brush or your finger, whatever works for you. And it's gonna leave, because I can feel the texture, I can feel that it's a little bit oily, so I can definitely see this creasing in your eyes if you don't set it, because it does have kind of an oily consistency, and they do that so you can go ahead and use it on your cheeks and in your eyes, so it's easier to spread out. So just keep that in mind. I don't see myself falling in love with this because I don't really like to go for things like multi-purpose things like this, but I mean, if you're somebody that does, you're gonna love this. So next thing in the box is this Grande Can you believe they won't turn on their car right now? It's so loud. Okay, so the next thing in the box is this Grande Cosmetics Lash Enhancing Serum. So that's what the little card looks like. You can kind of get a better visual of what the product looks like with the card. But this is what the box looks like, and I'm gonna open it. The box looks kind of big, but I know it's deceiving. Actually, it's a pretty decent size. You just kind of see the size of it. And I never really used any enhancing serums for my eyes. I, for some reason, feel like I'm gonna get an allergic reaction. But I have gotten a few before, like from Ipsy and BoxyCharm. They've sent a few before, but I just pass them down. But maybe I'll try this one. It looks like it has more potential. Maybe it will work, but I'm a little bit skeptical about things like this. But that's what the little one looks like. And because I've never used anything like this, I guess I'll read you guys the instructions. So it says you can use it before bed. You can apply it directly with the brush that it comes with, which that kind of scares me a little, but I would just keep in mind that you are applying it directly to your eye, so you always want to wash your face before you do it, because this could carry a little bit of bacteria if you just, you know, use it and then stick it back in here, kind of like mascara. You know, you always have to be aware that you clean your lashes before you put on your mascara so you don't grow bacteria in your tube. So just keep that in mind. And it says it promotes rapid growth with vitamins, amino acids, and antioxidants. So if you're in the market for something like this, I would give this a try. You can always go onto the Sephora website and look at the reviews just to make sure that it's going to be something that you'll like, or if it doesn't have that good of a review. That's what I kind of like about getting things from Sephora, because since they're their own store, you can just use your app and just directly go onto the Sephora website. You can use the barcode scanner, or you can just search it and you can just get all the information. You can get full details on every product, and then you can read reviews. You can watch the little mini tutorials that they go ahead and that they provide you with for free. And then also remember that you do get a free crash course on every product. Just a little reminder. So next thing is this Benefit Cosmetics Volumizing Mascara. And this is the Bad Gal Bang. That's what the little box looks like. And the little brush. That's what the brush looks like. If you guys can see, I hope you can. If you can, I will be zooming in right now. And let's see, it says this long wearing formula is loaded with provitamin B5 to promote natural growth. With your enhancing serum that I just showed you guys, they're promoting it that it goes well together. So if you're in the market for mascara, this is a good one. This is a volumizing. Remember, there's always volumizing mascara and there's lengthening mascara. So whatever it is that you need, that's what you should purchase. Or you can always, you know, combine. That's what I always do because I want a little bit of both. Okay, so next thing is this Banana Bright Eye Cream from Ole Henriksen. That's what the little card looks like. Okay, so this is promoted to use morning before makeup and right before bed, and you can apply it under your eyes with your ring finger, and it claims to brighten your eyes and be the perfect base for before your concealer. So it distinguishes dark circles with a yellow hue inspired by banana powder. So banana powder has always been very popular for setting your under eyes. I remember before the translucent trend was banana powder. It has a very strong scent. It doesn't smell like banana, so don't get excited if that's the scent that you like. But the scent is pretty strong, so if you're a little bit sensitive to any fragrance, you might want to stray away from this. I don't see anything about this being hyperallergenic either, so let me just check. I'm gonna read the back, but no, it doesn't say anything about anything. So you might want to check the ingredients just before you purchase it, just to make sure that you're not allergic to any of the fragrances, because the fragrance is pretty strong. Okay, and last but not least is the Sephora Collection Contour Eye Pencil 12-hour wear, waterproof in black lace. And this is what the little eyeliner looks like. So it's in the color black, obviously, like I mentioned. And you can use it to smudge out, or you can use it on your waterline. So, you know, basic eyeliner. I have tried the Sephora brand, and it's actually really creamy. It doesn't tug on your eye when you apply it. And they do have like a little guide here on the card, in the back of the card, where they show you how to smudge it, or you can use it as a wing liner. I don't know if it would give you such a precise wing liner like it's on the picture, just because it's pencil. And it is a little bit creamy, so it will definitely smudge throughout the day. But if that's the look you're going for, then this is perfect for you. So that's all that we have for this month's bag. Like it says on the website, again, I want to mention that it's not a subscription, so I don't know if they're going to be focusing on different trends. Maybe they'll do, I don't know, I'm not really 100% sure. There's not any more information on here how it's gonna work, but if there is one for next month, I will definitely be reviewing it. And if there isn't, then I'm gonna look into and see every so often how they're gonna be doing this. Yeah, remember, it's $20 a month, and you just go under the Sephora website and just type in Sephora Play. You'll get both options to either purchase Sephora Play box, and that is a monthly subscription where they'll be charging you $10 a month free shipping, and then they have this box, which is the $20 a month. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope maybe you want to go ahead and try it out, like if you want to follow some of these trends and just kind of familiarize yourself on how to use different products just to achieve the trends that are going on. Hope you guys enjoy my little mini unboxing of the First Play SMARTS by Sephora. Also, don't forget to check out my Instagram. I'm gonna link it down in the description box. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Sweat mustache.